Greetings. Hello. My name is Diego Knight. I currently reside in Rosarito Beach, Mexico, just south of the border of Tijuana and San Diego. I've had this YouTube channel for several years, but mostly for photos and videos or for stuff like this one. But this is the first time I'm doing this type of vlog. The reason is I decided to change the format because things have changed in my life. So the key thing is I plan to do this type of work, interviewing. With my previous work for the past 5 years, I started with photography, videos, drone, and now I'm also a member of the press of Rosarito. So there's a lot of things to do to learn about this. I've gotten my equipment in the past 5 years. Before that, I was an English teacher in Asia, but now I reside here in Mexico. So the key thing is there's many things to do in your life, and I'm one of them. I changed my life to leave from an English teacher. Now I'm here being a photographer. Another thing is I took care of my parents, and recently I lost my father. And so I'm saying thank you to my father and to my mother years ago, and saying giving me this opportunity to change my life. Well, here's one thing is you're able to change your life, but it's not easy. But I'm going to be talking about different things about technique, such as what to do with your computer, with photos and videos, editing, also different types of equipment. And also, the important thing is, since I live in Mexico, it's not easy to live here. Tourism is one thing, but living here is a different thing. I used to live in South Korea for nearly 20 years. Now I'm living in Mexico. So it's somewhat of a change, culture change, but not that much. It takes time. But I plan on doing more interviewing, for example, musicians, sports, athletes in Rosarito, and hopefully in Tijuana and Ensenada, and more. So this is my first time doing a vlog. So anyway, I want to say thank you very much, and hopefully you enjoy yourself. So talk to you later. Bye.